Hi guys, Kandi Toy Box here. Today you will need some pony beads, scissors, a lighter, a needle, and I have 3 feet of string here. You're also going to need some round beads or a large bead. I will have these on my shop if you're interested in this exact bead. But we're going to start. I have glitter beads and then just regular neon. And you're going to start with 2 glitter, 1 neon. We're going to repeat that with orange. So 2 glitter and 1 neon. And we're going to do that with every color. And that's what it looks like. We're going to repeat that. We're going to repeat this one more time. I'm going to do that off camera and then I'll be back. Okay, guys, I have both sets of rainbow on, and then I made a knot and then cut it off. And then I have my needle on my string here. And what you're going to want to do is pull the string down a little bit so the knot goes back here behind the purple. And our pattern, we're going to put on 1 neon purple, 1 glitter pink, and then 1 neon pink. And we're going to go through the neon pink here. Okay, the next one, we're going to do neon pink, glitter, and then neon orange. And you're going to go through this orange. Okay, we put on neon orange, glitter, and neon yellow. You're going to go through this yellow. Okay, the next one. We're going to go through this green. Now if you see, we're following the pattern right over here. But instead of adding 2, we're just doing 1 of the glitter. And then we're going to go through the blue. So to double check, you could just put it up against here. And we're going to go through this purple. Okay, so this is what it looks like so far. We're going to repeat what we did right here on this side, and then I'll show you the next step. Okay, guys, I finished the second set of rainbow, and these were the last beads I put on. And to start the next row, we're going to have to go through these 3 beads, 2 purple and the glitter pink. So take your needle and go through those. Now this row is a little easier because we have the pattern started. You're going to add 3 of each color. So line it up with this. So 3 pink. And then we're going to go through the glitter. 3 orange, go through the glitter. So you're going to do that for every color. And we're always going through the glitter bead. You want to make sure you're pulling your string tight, but not too tight, if that makes sense. You want it to be kind of firm here, not too loose. Okay, this is the last set, the 3 purple. To start the next row, we need to go through all 3 of these beads. And this is what it looks like so far. Okay, now we're going to be adding glitter. And just look over here to make sure they line up. And you're going to go through the middle neon bead of each color. So we're adding 2 beads. Now we're going to do 2 yellow. Go through the middle. We're going to add 2 green. Go through the middle. Okay, we're going to do that all the way around, and then I'll show you the next step. Okay guys, I put on my last 2 beads, the pink here, and this time we need to go through these 2 pink and this orange so we can get to the center of the bracelet. Okay, so we went through these beads right here to come out of this orange. Now it's time to add on the balls. And we're going to do the color we're on. So we're going to start with orange. And we're going to go through this center bead, the yellow. Next one is yellow. We're going to go through this green. The next one is green. We're going to go through this bead. Okay, the next color is blue. We're going to go through the purple. Adding purple, and then we're going to go through the pink. Okay, and this is what it's looking like so far. I'm going to go ahead and put the last set on, and then I'll be back to show you how to tie it off. Okay guys, I have my last bead, which is a pink, and we're going to go through this orange bead where we started, And it's always easier for me to tie on the outside, but if you wanted to, you could tie right there. But I'm going to go through this glitter bead, these two orange and this yellow. And now I can tie. It's just easier for me to do it on the outside string. And I like to do a few knots. Okay, this looks pretty cool. I love this. Okay, I think I will have these ready made on my shop. So if you don't want to buy the supplies or make it, yeah. All right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.